Guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this glass morphism edit in Canva. So I'm just going to copy and paste it. Well, it's more like an effect actually. And I'm going to select add edit image here, and I'm just going to crop this out into like a section I want. I'm just going to freeform it as well. Whoops. Actually, I'm just going to use the shift on my keyboard to do that. And I'm just going to try to like place it where the text is. So here and here, and I'm just going to leave that. Then I'm going to select edit image, and I'm going to add blur, select whole image and adjust the intensity here a little bit, go back, and then I'm going to go to border style. I'm going to corner it out, and I'm going to add in like a border weight here. I'm going to add white as the border, and I'm going to add it behind the text here. So I'm just going to send that to the back, and I'm just going to make it a little bit smaller like that. And the second way to do it is just to go to elements and type in glass, and you can select any texture of glass there is. I'm going to use this one, and I'm going to crop it to the text, and I'm going to make it a little bit more transparent. Then I'm going to do the same thing, going to round it out, and I'm going to add in a border like so. I guess it's best if you like copy and paste just the border here, but yeah, that is pretty much it. I like the first one a little bit better. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!